I see that a lot of people have been tagging me from different blogs pertaining to a video that one Mr. Isaac FAYOSE did about my restaurant. So I just need to clear the air for two reasons. One, for my darling customers, and two, for people who feel I need to clear the air, which are my lovely fans.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ọ̀rọ̀ tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tí ó sọ nípa arákùnrin tí ó ń ba restaurant rẹ̀ jẹ́, òun ni ẹ fẹ́ wò yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu Ìyábọ̀ Òjó.
I want to check the dates. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, on the 9th of October at around 9:22, yeah, if you look at it, that's, I don't know if you can see the time, 9:22 p.m. in the evening, 9:22 p.m. in the evening. Toyin Lawani, who is Tiana, sent me a video that Mr. Isaac made a video. He bought a pepper soup, I think a cow leg pepper soup, at the rate of 7,000 naira from my restaurant, and it was delivered to him. So he said they only served him bones, right? And he made a video, and Toyin sent the video to me. So immediately she sent me the video. That was 9:22 in the evening. I responded back 9:55 because that's when I saw it, about 30 minutes later. Oh. And if you read what I wrote, I said he should send his account details. That was 30 minutes after I got the video. Is it up to 30 minutes? Let me see. Sorry, I want to speak with facts and figures. Yeah, I'm coming. 9:24 she sent it, and I sent a message 9:55 that same day. That's like well, about 30 minutes later. So I said, please, can you tell him to send his account details? And Tony did not respond to me that night. I didn't, and immediately I forwarded that video to my manager, and I forwarded that video to my supervisor. So, and I asked them that they should look into it. We usually close 11 p.m. I knew it was late. So around 4:30 a.m. I slept. So I woke up late the next day. Woke up around 11:30, 12 o'clock. And then the first thing I did was call the manager. So the manager told me that the cashier had already called him when he called to complain that they are very sorry, that they would see to it that he gets a complimentary when next he's buying anything or buying anything. I said, no, when next is buying anything, how can he get a complimentary when next is buying anything? I said, no. I said, call him back and apologize properly and tell him that what does he want, that I said they should give him any complimentary food that he wants is on me apologizing, or he can send his account details. Let me send the money back, because I'd already even sent a message to Tiana that she should please let me get his account details, and I think maybe Tiana is busy, she hasn't responded. I said, so please tell him maybe he should send his account details, or ask him if he wants any complimentary food. So you guys should let me know. So he called me back and said the cashier that responded to his call is not on duty. So they're having problems, locating which of it is his number. So I said, don't worry, let me ask Tiana. So I asked Tiana for his number. You can see me asking Tiana for his number, and then Tiana sent his number to me. So immediately Tiana sent his number to me, I forwarded the number to my manager. Meanwhile, my supervisor went into the kitchen to scold the cooks, and then he recorded them while he was in the kitchen, and he sent it to me, whereby I heard the cook saying that was not how they served the food. Maybe the man has eaten all the meat in the food and is not doing a video that how can they serve him this kind of thing, that's not how, it's not possible. I still got angry, and I asked them that they should change the cook. Do you understand that she's not even being remorseful? That customers are always right. Anyway, that's her side. So she was like, no, that what she means is that was not how they served it. Obviously the cook will want to defend herself. So I didn't say anything. I just let that slide. Then I told him, I've sent you the number. Have you called him? He said yes, that he just spoke to him and he apologized to him right now. And he wants what's it called? He wants sorry, 1 minute. Okay, that he has apologized to him, that he wants fish pepper soup, croaker fish pepper soup as a complimentary. So I said, okay, no problem. So they said, the full fish croaker pepper soup is expensive, so should we give him the one that is? I said, no, give him the expensive one. Make a full big croaker fish pepper soup for him and send to him, and tell him that I am really sorry about it. So he said okay, that they would do that. I said they should make the fish croaker fish pepper soup that comes with the yam and everything and send to him. So he said he has told them that because we make our food fresh, that they're going to send it in a few minutes, that they need to prepare. And he said okay. So as I was talking to my manager, what's it called? A call kept coming on my phone. So I picked the call, and it was someone I know that comes to my restaurant. She's like like a sister. So she said, sis, have you seen what I sent to you? I said, what have you sent to me? She said, check your WhatsApp. So I checked my WhatsApp, and then when I checked my WhatsApp, I saw that the same video Tiana had sent to me was what she sent to me. So I said, So I called. I said, did he report to you too? She said no, that he put it on his WhatsApp status since yesterday night. I said, He put it on his WhatsApp status since yesterday night. So I was angry. I said, So as I was talking to her, I saw like 2-3 people had sent me that same video. And I saw the WhatsApp status. I saw the time that he put it there. You understand? So I saw, so she sent it to me that no, I should check the time he posted it. And if you look at the time, he posted it on his WhatsApp story at 9:33, you understand, PM. So that means immediately he sent it to Tiana, he put it on his WhatsApp story. And I asked for his account details. Tiana didn't get back to me on that because she was busy. And then the next day, I got his number. They called him, wanting to, serve him something else, just to make amends. And I found out that he had already put it on his WhatsApp status. So I'm like, if you had an intention to put it on your WhatsApp status, then why did you send it to Tiana to send to me? Why are you agreeing, do you understand, for a compensation when you have done your worst? Because definitely what you wanted to do was to put it out there and sabotage my business. And I got really very angry. And the fact that I know that is Tiana's cousin even makes it more annoying. Do you understand? I was really very angry about that. Like, if I've done something wrong, okay, Tiana is here. If I've done something wrong, or I wasn't the one who prepared it, my cook has done something wrong, and then you already have laid a complaint, why didn't you wait to hear from Tiana? Like, okay, did Tiana tell you that, oh, IYABO said she wasn't making amends on it or anything? You didn't even wait. You sent it to Tiana, and in 10-15 minutes, you put it on your WhatsApp status. You are directly trying to destroy my business. That's how it looks to me. You are either trying to chase clout, like what is happening right now, because if you didn't put all this out there, I won't be doing this video and won't be making this a news. So I just didn't understand what he was trying to achieve. Because it's not like you complain to the restaurant and then the restaurant is saying, oh, there's nothing they can do about it, la 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 la. You called to complain, they apologized and told you that they were going to make amends. And then you still went ahead and posted it on your WhatsApp status. So I was angry, but you know what? I was, in my cool, and I called him. And I said, good afternoon, this is me, IYABO. Like, I found out that you laid a complaint, about my food. And I made my staff call. You said, yes, the staff called him, but the staff called him this afternoon. I said, well, I didn't even get your contact until this afternoon. But the staff had already spoken to you that same night when it happened. And you had already sent it to Tiana to send to me. So why didn't you just wait for me? You just sent something to Tiana, and in a few minutes you already put it on your WhatsApp status writing, this is sad. What are you trying to achieve? And then what pissed me off was he said, I didn't put it on social media. I put it on my WhatsApp status, which is my private space. And I said, your WhatsApp status is not your private space, because a whole lot of contacts on your phone will see it. I mean, if an organization or a company or someone does something wrong to you, and you have an opportunity to, complain about it. So if the company is not accepting their fault, or they are not trying to make amends, or they are not trying to to correct the situation, that is when you can get angry and say you want to put it out there. Do you understand? You have laid a complaint and you have not even waited for a response, and then you have put it out there. So when I saw the video where he said, because he sent the video to Tiana, I got angry and I insulted him and I said, is he broke? No. I'm not angry that you sent the video to Tiana. In fact, I'm happy you sent the video to Tiana so that I can get to know these things and know how to either change the staffs or correct the staffs. But I am angry that you put it on your WhatsApp status and then you put it on social media when you had already made an attempt to send it for me to get the information, and you had not even waited for me to respond to you. That's you trying to sabotage my business, and that's you trying to pull me down. And I was angry. I said, so why are you doing it? Are you doing it for clout? Because I don't understand. How much is 7,000? I even told Tiana immediately send me his account details so that I can forward the money to him. So is it about the 7,000 or is it about clout? Because it's a different thing if we are not trying all our best to make amends. You yourself already said, I want croaker fish pepper soup, which I already said, okay, they should give it to you. But I cancelled it because I found out that you had already put it out there. So if you have put the video out there, you've taken your revenge already. So why would I have to send you my croaker fish pepper soup? You can't destroy my company's name out there and then you still expect me to send you a croaker fish pepper soup and also still tell you sorry. My staff already told you sorry. I already sent a message to Tiana to collect your account details and your phone number. I already made an attempt. I already asked them to tell you that I was sorry about it. So now you coming out there to do a video misleading people, telling people, oh, it's because of Tiana, because you sent the video to Tiana, that was why I got angry. No, sir. Because you put it on your WhatsApp status after you had sent it to Tiana to send to me, and you didn't even wait for my response. If you didn't want to wait for my response, then you didn't have to send it to Tiana to send to me. You would have just put it out there. Then I will understand that, okay, you understand. So that's just it. I just needed to come out and just, say my own part and, just get it done with, so that people can get to understand exactly what went wrong. Happy Sunday, everyone, and God bless everybody. Bye.